Hello and welcome to Stillness with Guri, the space where we pause, breathe, and reconnect with ourselves and the present moment. I'm your host, Guri, and today we're diving deep into a topic that has changed my life and the lives of millions around the world: meditation and mindfulness. If you've ever wondered how to start meditating, what mindfulness actually means, or what science says about these practices, today's episode is for you. So find a comfortable spot, let your body relax, and let's begin. Let's start by getting really clear on what we mean. Meditation is a practice, an intentional way of focusing your mind, often to build awareness, attention, and compassion. Mindfulness, on the other hand, is a quality. It's the ability to be fully present and aware of where we are and what we're doing, without being overly reactive or overwhelmed. One is the tool, meditation. The other is the state we cultivate, mindfulness. They're closely linked, but you can be mindful without formally meditating, and you can meditate in many different styles to increase mindfulness. There's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to meditation. Here are a few core techniques you might want to explore. 1. Mindfulness of breath. This is the simplest and most widely taught. Just bringing your attention to the breath, feeling it enter and leave the body. Let's do it right now, just for a few seconds. Pause and take a deep breath in and out. Again, in and out. Notice how that felt? That's mindfulness in action. Body scan. This technique involves scanning the body with your attention, noticing sensations without judgment. It's great for connecting with the body and relieving tension. Loving kindness meditation, metta. This is a heart-based practice where you silently send goodwill to yourself and others. It's powerful for building emotional resilience. 4. Mantra meditation. Repeating a phrase or word, silently or aloud, to focus the mind. Om, peace, or even affirmations like I am calm. 5. Walking meditation. Mindfully walking, often slowly, while noticing each step, breath, and movement. A great option if sitting meditation isn't comfortable. Try experimenting. Think of meditation like food. You need to taste different dishes to find what you love. Now let's talk science, because meditation isn't just spiritual or philosophical. It's biological, neurological, and psychological. Over the last few decades, scientists have studied meditation using EEGs, MRIs, and controlled trials. The findings are profound. Reduced stress and cortisol. Meditation decreases the stress hormone cortisol. Regular meditators often report less anxiety and more emotional balance. Brain changes. Studies show that consistent meditation increases gray matter density in parts of the brain related to memory, empathy, and emotional regulation, especially the prefrontal cortex and hippocampus. The default mode network, DMN. This network is active when the mind is wandering, ruminating, or distracted. Meditation quiets the DMN, helping us stay focused and present. Lower blood pressure. Certain types of meditation improve cardiovascular health and can reduce blood pressure. Better sleep and immune function. Mindfulness practices improve sleep quality and may even boost the immune response. A beautiful quote by neuroscientist Dr. Judson Brewer comes to mind. Mindfulness is not about being a better person. It's about being aware of what's happening right now, so we can make wiser choices. Meditation doesn't make problems vanish. It changes how we relate to them. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. Meditation is simple, but not always easy. A lot of people say, I can't meditate, my mind won't stop thinking. Well, good news, that's normal. The goal isn't to stop thoughts, it's to notice them and return to the breath. I don't have time. Start with just 2 minutes, literally. You brush your teeth, scroll social media, wait in lines. You have the time, you just have to prioritize. I'm not doing it right. If you're sitting, breathing, and trying to be present, you're doing it right. The effort is the practice. Here's the truth. Even seasoned meditators have restless sessions. The key is consistency, not perfection. All right, how about we do a short guided meditation together? Just a few minutes to ground ourselves. You can sit or lie down. Gently close your eyes if that feels comfortable. Begin by taking a deep breath in through the nose and exhale slowly through the mouth. Let your breath settle into a natural rhythm. Bring your attention to the sensation of the breath. Maybe you feel it at the tip of your nose or in your chest, rising and falling. Thoughts may come, and that's okay. Gently return to the breath. Now silently repeat a phrase to yourself if you like. I am here. I am present. I am at peace. Take one last deep breath in and out. Gently open your eyes when you're ready. That was just a taste of what mindfulness feels like. Centered, open, calm. Before we wrap up, here are a few practical tips to bring more mindfulness into your day. 1. Mindful mornings. Before reaching for your phone, take 3 slow breaths. 2. Pause before meals. 1 breath, 1 moment of gratitude. 3. Mindful transitions. Notice how you feel when switching tasks. 4. Tech-free moments, 1 hour a day with no screens. And most of all, be kind to yourself. You don't need to be perfect, just present. Thank you for joining today on Stillness with Guri. I hope you feel a little more connected to your breath, your body, and this moment. If you enjoyed this episode, consider subscribing or sharing it with someone who could use a little peace. Until next time, stay still, stay soft, and stay present. Take care, thank you, dear ones.